So a salesperson told me their aspiration was to make 50 cold calls a day. I asked how many they were currently making, and they said about 15. I asked if it was sometimes zero, or sometimes 30 or 40, and they said most days it was 15. So I asked, how do you feel when you make 15 cold calls, but you know you should make 50? And they said, of course, like a loser. Like a loser, baby. So at the end of our coaching session, I suggested they not try and make 50 cold calls a day because I think you're going to fail and you're going to be disgusted with yourself. The good news is you're already the kind of person who makes 15 cold calls a day. I want you to build on that and become the kind of person who makes 16 cold calls a day. I'm sure their manager was having fits at this. But when you think about it, it makes a lot of sense. Once you do that, once you do 16 a day, you can ramp it up and become the kind of person who makes 17, 20, 25, 30. But you must become the kind of person who does that thing reliably. The problem is when we write goals, we are highly motivated. Right? Think about it. You don't write a goal when you're not motivated. Why would you? That's a very strange thing to do. But we write big, unrealistic goals that really don't suit who we are at that moment in time. And then, of course, we don't stay motivated. Motivation's this very unreliable traveling partner, right? It's like a friend you go on vacation with and they meet someone on day one and you don't see him for the rest of the vacation and you're just on your own. Motivation does that. It leaves you. And then you won't be making 50 calls a day. You'll feel ashamed. And that's not a good way to feel. But if you understand how habits are formed, you would write realistic goals for where you currently are. And you wouldn't be disappointed with yourself ever. If you're currently making no cold calls, none, you must become the kind of person who makes one a day, not 50. Make one. Once you can reliably make one cold call a day, build on the habit, but you must let the habit take root. And it works for any habit you're trying to form. Become the kind of person who does that thing reliably every day and then start to ramp up. You should definitely read BJ Fogg's book, Tiny Habits, because I think he really is the godfather of the habit formation. Anyway, if your sales team needs help with habits, let's chat. And if you know someone who maybe would benefit from this, share it with them. Good luck.